What's up, Custom family? We're gonna head over to Wegmans. We're gonna check out some of the things that we were talking about when it comes to pink salt. So let's go check it out in the Nature's Market. Hey, Custom family. So, even in basic salt, when you're at the store looking, you can see you got basic white salt, table salt, and it's gonna have, up to 590 milligrams of sodium. Then you got the pink Himalayan salt, and it's less sodium. It's straight, just Himalayan pink salt versus salt, calcium lactate, dextrose, potassium iodide. Like, you're looking for straight pink Himalayan salt, full of minerals, and it's the good stuff. Hey, what's up, Custom family? We're back in the office today, and we're with Coach Kelly, and today we're going to continue our conversation on pink salt. We've had a lot of questions in regards to what is this pink salt and why is it so special and what is it actually doing and does it really make any difference at all? But we have some great answers from one of our best coaches here, and she's going to fill us in on what is the deal with pink salt. So, Kelly, you have been with us for how long?
Almost 2 years.
Almost 2 years. Kelly is a wealth of knowledge when it comes to nutrition and health, and she's always a great resource for our patients. And so we decided we'd ask her a few questions when it comes to pink salt and what is the big deal about pink salt?
The big deal is that our pink salt has 90 trace minerals in it. So minerals are great for a couple of different things. Hydration, we're all about cell hydration here at Custom Fat Loss. We got billions and trillions of cells, and our number one goal is to get them good and hydrated so that we can get to the fat that's stored in them more easily. The other thing that pink salt is really good for is for hunger. So, you take 1/8 of a teaspoon of that pink salt, put it in some tea temperature water and sip it down. It's gonna taste like a broth. That will really help. It helps a lot of people get through some difficult times of, having these hungers or this craving.
So if somebody's on the program, that we offer, or they're just in general day-to-day life, what would the biggest benefit of this pink salt be? You say it's gonna be hydration and it's gonna be maybe to help with curb appetite, but you're not gonna be just drinking shots of pink salt. So what are some other ways that we can get it incorporated to our day-to-day?
Well, you can cook with it. We really encourage people to season their foods with the pink salt. You'll probably never go back to white salt again once you've tried that.
Let's stop there.
Yeah.
Why is there a difference between pink salt and white salt? What if somebody has a big problem with sodium and their doctor's saying, stay away from all that salt? What about the pink salt?
The pink salt, like I said before, it's got those minerals. It's actually mostly minerals, very little sodium chloride. The majority of people that go through our program here really don't even have any effects at all. Every once in a while, someone will be super sensitive, but the majority of people just do really well with it.
So there really is a difference between the pink salt and the table salt, and it can make a true difference in day-to-day when it comes to feeling hungry or to get through those times where you're kind of hungry throughout the morning, or really it can add a lot to your nutritional value throughout the day. So, Kelly, what would you recommend to our viewers as a thing to look for when they're at the store and they're, if they come here, we have a great pink salt that we offer. But let's say they're at Wegmans or at the grocery store and they need to, decide what's something maybe they should look for or they should stay away from.
I would say look for something like Himalayan salt, and look at the labels and make sure there's a high mineral content in there. All
right, awesome. So there you have it. A big difference when it comes to health and wellness and nutrition is the pink salt that we offer in our program. Makes a big difference in so many ways. We want to put the right stuff into your body, and we want to continue to grow you from a cellular level and get you to be the best you that you can be. So thanks, Kelly. Hey, this is Jake.
Hey, this is Dr. Matt.
Thanks for watching today. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook.
Or at loseweightrochester.com.
And remember, like, comment, and subscribe, because we want to hear from you.